Most drivers panic when orders suddenly stop coming in, but most people get this wrong. They assume it is a glitch or punishment from the app. But here's the truth, no one tells you. In most cases, when Uber Eats is not sending orders, it is not a bug. It is usually a system, location, or account issue that you can fix quickly. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is staying in one spot and waiting endlessly without checking what is actually wrong. That alone can cost you hours of lost earnings. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Uber Eats stops sending orders in 2026, how to diagnose the issue in minutes, and the fastest fixes to get your account active again. Let's start with the most common reason. The first reason is simple demand imbalance. If you are in a low-demand area, the system prioritizes other drivers. A driver like Alex parked in a quiet suburb may see 0 orders, while another driver just 2 miles away in a busy zone keeps getting requests non-stop. Die. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue is not location, but app status. If your app is paused, offline, or stuck in a bad signal zone, the system may stop assigning orders even if demand is high. Next is account activity. If you recently declined too many orders, your priority can temporarily drop. This does not mean punishment, but the system adjusts who receives requests first. Now here's the problem most drivers miss. They do not refresh their app properly. A simple logout and login can reset your order flow. It sounds basic, but it fixes more issues than people expect. Another important factor is peak timing. During slow hours, the system reduces order distribution. A driver like Jake who works midday in a low-demand area might think something is wrong, but in reality, it is just low order volume. In a minute, here is a powerful fix most drivers ignore. Switch to a nearby hotspot. Even moving 1 or 2 miles into a restaurant cluster can completely restart your order flow because the system recalculates your position. Also check if your app needs updates. Outdated versions can cause delayed or missing requests. Always keep the driver app updated to the latest version. Now let's bring it all together. If Uber Eats stops sending orders, check your location first, then your app status, then your account activity, and finally your app version. In most cases, the issue is not permanent and can be fixed in minutes once you identify the cause. To wrap it up, no orders usually means low demand, bad positioning, or temporary app conditions. Smart drivers do not wait blindly. They move, refresh, and reposition strategically. If this helped you fix your order issue, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more real driver tips that help you stay active and earn consistently in 2026.